Squirrel in the Rain. He perches in sparkling-eyed contemplation of the goal. Like some celebrated skylight, he squats on his post, oblivious to the hostile elements. My stare intrudes upon his gaze. Defiance resonates across the intervening space, and then the sudden leap, a precarious landing on the ridge. Teeth bared, he nuzzles the meshwork tower, seeking nutrition. Losing his grip, he hastily takes flight, back to the stepping-stone beam, the garden fence's parapet. A sudden sure-footed spring onto the post. I stare at him, he glowers back at me, brush-tail twitching. I sense a mood of defiance. He leaps once more to the bird table's roof. A turbulent manoeuvre finds a covered plateau. A sense of instability takes charge. He beats a hasty retreat. Post squatted, he focuses once more. He steels himself, then springs. The glistening plastic proves more than a match. He takes a floundering fall into the sodden undergrowth. Bedraggled, he climbs the austere fence, tail discomfortedly curled, shakes vigorously. The watery beads propel themselves from body into air. Straight-tailed, disconsolate, he beats retreat along the wooden parapet.